Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to add biography on CoinMarketCap account. So first we're going to go to the app, then click on the profile section. Then once you're here, you're going to click on settings. Then here under account, you're going to click on profile settings. Then there's the biography option, you're going to click on it. Then you guys can write anything you want. It's a brief introduction about yourself. Then once you're done, you're going to click on change. So your biography will be recorded. You guys could check it by going and clicking on it again. So as you can see, this is our biography. So this is how you do it. It's an easy tutorial. Make sure to also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.